Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now this video is sponsored by Asteria Hair, and they sent me their pre-everything wig. So this wig was pre-cut, it was pre-styled, it was pre-bleached, and the baby hairs were already made for me. Yeah, so I really did not need to do anything. It is kind of glueless, but I went ahead and I put some hairspray on the side just to hold it down a bit. You do have the option of using some wig tapes, because they did send me some wig tape, but for me I just don't like using the wig tapes. But if you're someone that does not mind the wig tape, then you're fine, because they do send wig tapes for you to use. But before we jump into the installation of this wig, how I end up getting this look, let me just show you guys what they sent to me inside the package. Okay, so first, since the wig is already on my head, let me just give you guys like a little rundown of the wig. So this wig is a 24-inch straight unit. It is 13x4, so it goes all the way around. It comes onto lace space. It is HD lace. I don't remember if it's 200 density or 180, but it definitely feels like 200. Now for the package, so they sent me some baby hair comb, some elastic band to help melt the edges, wig tapes like I said, wig cap. This is the elastic band that came in the wig, but I just took it out because I don't like installing my wigs with it. It feels like it's, I don't know, it's very uncomfortable for me. But it does come with an elastic band in the back, so your wig will be secure, and the bag to put the wig in when I'm done wearing it. So that is pretty much all they sent to me inside the package. Now if you guys want to see how I end up getting this look, then definitely keep on watching.
Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Only gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast and you do what you want.
In the meantime,
just not doing what I want.
it's some me time.
You doing what you want.
In the meantime,
Just not doing what I want.
it's some me time.
You doing what you want.
Maybe I don't love myself, I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need much, so fuck my wealth.
Tell me what you say now. Tell me what you said. You said that you would come again. You said that we would remain friends, but you know that I do not depend on nothing or no one. So why would you show up so uninvited? Just change my mind like that. Please don't take this personal, but you ain't shit. You weren't special till I made you so. You better act like you know that I've been through worse to you. I just can't keep running away. But I don't need you. I don't need you. I don't need you. I don't need you. But I want you. I don't mean to. I don't mean to. I don't mean to. I don't mean to. But I was lost now. Everybody's like he's no item. Please don't like him. He don't wife him. He one item. I never listen, no. I should've figured though. All the shit you was spitting so unoriginal. But it was you, so I was with it. Then to tell you the truth, wish we never did it.
Wondering why, no, you ain't shy. focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the soap, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, like stuck in your zone. You don't ever, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately, I've been a little fed up. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Lazy and broke, know we get this money, so I guess I can't complain. But I feel alone even when we're alone, and that don't cause I think, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately, I've been a little fed up, yeah. I wish you would just focus on me.
So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. The link to the wig will be down in the description box. So if you guys would love to purchase it, definitely check down below. But for now, this is the end, and I will definitely see you guys in my next one. Bye.